Hey guys, Spock here. Today we're gonna talk about friends request. Friends request is underrated. Nobody dares to use it unless they're really close friends, and it's something that you guys should be changing your mind around. This is actually a good trick for you to increase your chance of exposure or visitors to revisit your stream. Now, it's somehow important that you add them as friends. And here's the example. We got ourselves Just Blunts here. Big shout out to Just Blunts, who actually streams Fortnite. He has about 5 people watching him, but not enough people chatting, which kind of sucks. But in due time, it's not a problem if you guys do this on like step by step. You would increase your chances to be revisited by people who actually chat in your channel. So at this point, if Just Blunts, by example, doesn't have anybody who's chatting, kind of sucks, but that's how it is on most small streamers, and that's why I focus on small streamers, to get you guys more acquainted and increase your chances to be visited by people who actually enjoy the games that you are playing, or even people who actually enjoy to chat in your channel. And as you know, it's not the number of viewers that counts, it's the amount of chatters to increase that exposure. Or any plain Fortnite fans, let's say for this case Just Blunts, who see an active chat, they tend to answer to actually stream, not stream, but to actually chat and have fun watching you. So we're focusing on that, and this is a simple trick. Even though you're a small streamer, you accumulate one at a time, and it's a beautiful thing when it happens. This person is live, okay? And they're, let's say, a streamer, and they're streaming. You will prioritize your visit towards them because they had time to come to your channel, chat with you, and just enjoy your content, enjoy your presence. So this is very defined to a point where availability is key essential for you to get those visitors back to your channel. So if you add them as friends, they're in your channel. Hey, what's up, Just Blunts? How you doing? How's everything? You're like, fine, man. Thank you. How you doing? Thank you very much for passing by. I really appreciate your presence. This makes my stream a lot better. Thank you for the experience. Be courteous, be a good host, and say, you know what, man? You're kind of cool. Thank you very much for being here. Let me add you as friends. Let me prioritize you next time you stream. Let me do my best to come see you, and reciprocate the gesture. So you build up that momentum. You add them as friends. So eventually, when you're available watching, you pop that status on, as you can see right here at the corner. Right now I'm away, but doesn't mean that I'm not watching. Online and share activity, and boom, you got yourself someone who knows exactly where you're going, what you're watching, and what you're streaming, or when you are streaming. So this close friend will prioritize, they will see everybody on online friends, and I've had a wonderful experience towards that because it helps a lot. It helps a lot for everyone. So me, I'm trying to share this experience for the past 2 weeks. It's been great. Been having a lot more people. I didn't need to do anything, saying, hey, come to my channel. If they're available on Twitch and they see you pop right there, it's already something. All right. So I've seen a good increment on chances to be notified, or people coming back to say hi. And you want an active chat, right? Most of the chats are dead, and it kind of sucks, but you need 2 to tangle, right? You need 2 people to actually have a chat within each other, within their own channels, to create that snowball effect. People actually will enjoy your content, right? Or enjoy the game that you're playing. Having a couple of people watching, being fans of the like Fortnite, is worth to entice other people who are passing through, not saying anything. They see a chat, it triggers more people into chat, and that's the snowball effect that we so want to acquire, to get ourselves as authority figures around this circle of people or potential traffic that will come through your channel. So this is it. This is the trick. So the trick here is, whoever comes to your channel, have a chat, right? Have a chat with them, thank them, add them as friends. Hey dude, since you're here, let me add you as friends. Here you go, buddy. You stream Fortnite too? Yo, all good. Oh, you watch Fortnite? Perfect. Let me add you as friends. The moment you see someone who is in your channel during your stream time, you as a small streamer, prioritize, add them as friends, get close to them, value their presence, and next time your friends section will be a priority towards a visit and a potential follow. Friends slots, maximum slots within Twitch are about 500, and it's plenty enough, because if you reach out like 100 friends, 200 friends, it's amazing. Anyways, this is the point. This is what I wanted to share. Guys, if you use that and you focus on the people who are coming to your channel and pinpoint them exactly when they visit, because they're interested or they just wanted to say hi, but it's good enough for their availability. And in due time, even though you don't have as many chatters, but you're starting to have some who are coming in, don't let them go away. Add them as friends, say thank you for joining, and rinse and repeat. Eventually you get like 10, 15, 20 potential viewers, chatters. Very important to be not looking at the viewer base and add them as friends, but those who are taking their time in your chat to say hello, to prioritize, because those are the good people who actually are making your chat activity alive. And this is a good way to increase your channel exposure. It's kind of odd, but you know what? If someone visits me and chats with me in my channel, it's a friend to me. And guys, don't forget about that. Give it a try, build it up. Don't expect the intensity of it, but I can definitely guarantee you it's gonna bring you up to date. For those who are non-affiliate, you guys are gonna see an increment of potential viewers, chatters, and followers. Guys, this is Spock. Have a good one, and please leave a like, subscribe, or simply leave a comment. That would be great. And check my Twitch channel. Drop me a follow and notification on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Spock. It means a lot. Guys, have a great day, and see you next time. Spock is out. More tips to come.